Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Len and Anthony Live and Shopping. So we're back here for the update of house of Cora and Mike. So what is this? So maybe this is the septic tank. Why it's so far? Look at that. Not too much, but their fence. The fence is almost done, guys. Yeah, the fence. Look at the fence. Their fence, guys, has a light. Kada alternate siya. Alternate. This is their fence, and they're gonna put the bamboo. Like ours, guys. Like our fence. Oh, they're almost done with the second floor, guys. Very nice. Binamugwa siya kay magsakyanan. What?
Mercy, dorsyo mo.
Wow. Almost done. This is the kuan. This is the first floor. Wow. Kami po dali kuang Cora oy. For picture ni iyang kuan. Look at that. Wow. Chug. That's the fence. They're doing the fence, guys. And this is the first floor. And all of this kuan kaning walay wall kaniyang open, guys. This open thing is a glass. Here, everything is a glass here. And they have their own water also here. Oh, wow! Hala ka, nice na diri. Look, very nice here. So, this is their laundry. Wow! Oh, oy, nariga.
Pasisang. No. Dali.
Kasi naghimukan ani ni Aya. Si Cora ra.
Oh, si ate rin nagkuha na.
Wow! Unsa man niya? Laundry?
Ako ani ka lang outdoor shower.
Oh, this is outdoor shower. Wow, it's very pretty. Kasi Pullman ani niya, ikaw yan oh. So maghimo may glang building, ikaw mong i-Pullman. So he is Cora's brother, guys. Because maybe we're going to have a house in Blue Heaven. This is the outdoor shower. Oh, look at that. Isuga po ninyong ira. Oy, di mo ko kasod to.
Basisang.
Basisang. Grabe panganay, basisang. He's laughing. Look at the tiles. They really have a good taste. Look at that, guys. The landscaping is beautiful. Kasi naghimo ning ilahang kani.
Asa?
Kaning ilahang kani ba?
Wala mo pa. Asa?
Kaning ilang nga yan eh.
Mga panday mo.
Mo ba? Wow. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh. This is their outdoor shower. It's nipa, guys.
Kugon.
Oh, kugon. Sorry. Yeah, mayo kay mo kong gikuan. It's kugon. So grass. Have a lot like this in the mountain. Ayaw pangaway ba si Sang? Kasi pangani mo.
Basisang.
Masisang, di ka mamakwa si Sang.
Basisang. Ay pangaway ha. Sang.
Sang ha?
Sang. Ano pang hilabot ha? Bantay ka.
Pulikaak. Wow, look at that. Kanin ang kuan ano na dyan din eh.
Ay ra.
Kaning bowl.
Oo.
Wow.
Dili naman na siya niyang gikuha kay tubig ng pundo ari gamay.
Ah, sige, kani. Muni kuan butangan sa bowl.
Oo. Di pa usog ni ate
So
kay.
this they gonna put the bowl here, so if you want to pee or whatever, you have privacy because of this. Oh, very nice. Ayaw pa ni
Kung
splo.
si Arkan yan, kita mong lubot, yung may tabon. Mong lubot, yung may tabon rin, ha?
It's pretty. It's nice. Tsaka to dito speakers mo, Toy.
Labanan ko.
Laundry.
Mm.
Oh, can wash your clothes there, guys. And this is here. Here is the shower.
Kita mong lubot, ani umo, si Arkan, eh.
Oh, Jude.
May nagputi-puti kag lubot. Ito mong lubot, uy, sumutong lubot.
Iyawan.
Sumutong lubot nga, alam mong laguman yung lubot, ha?
Hindi na sila ipupwedian din, eh. He is Cora's brother, guys. He's the one who managed the project. Daghan na trabaho ay. Daghan na siyang nahuman.
Aptik mo nang trabante na ho.
Lagi, he has a good workers, guys. That's why work so fast. Pila ka book workers ni Cora karon?
Di magkapareha kay abisin ko kabuk sila. 14.
14. He has 14 workers. Wow. Look at this. Cora and Mike, guys, they are really organized about everything, guys. So this is the outdoor shower, and the other part is the laundry. So they have a good taste. You'll be amazed after the glass, because everything is PVC. They're using the PVC, guys. Oh, still have a foreigner. So those are the foreigners who stuck in Bohol. Stuck here in Bohol. So I'm going to Cora. So in here is the fence. So this is the fence. Oh.
After ma'am.
Hello. So mo panibutangan pa na ni Cora og kanang bamboo diha.
Na.
Ah. Good.
Ubay niyo inyo ma'am.
Hagna.
Aga.
Hagna. No. Anda.
Ay, anda.
Wow, very pretty. It's very pretty here. Oh, sarap ito mga bata. And nagkuha na sila, guys, nag-finishing. Cora has a very beautiful home. It's gonna be amazing. Look at the wood. Oh my God. So this is the first floor. And here is the bathroom, I think. Yeah, this is the bathroom. It's a big one. Big bathroom. let's go to the let's go to the second floor, guys. And look at their stairs. All lights, guys. Going up. All lights. So, nagbinising siya. So, ano man na siyang kanang mukrak man ang ubang pinising iya. Anong mukrak siya?
Kunas tubig.
Not enough water. I asked guys why.
Truhan mo mo naglusnos.
Okay. I asked him guys why some of our walls before has a crack. He said not enough water. That's what he said. That's why have a crack. Should be enough water.
Ang crack yung pinising.
Sa una ang wall. Pero na hinuon kay gutro man. Yeah, no crack, nothing.
Truhan mo ni.
So like that. Okay. So after guys, after smooth na siya gamay, butangan pa din na siya water. Pero wisik ra. Wisik ra yan no, dili po daghanon. Should be na a lot of water, just wisik guys, ambot na siya ng wisik. English. Like that, just like that. So no crack. Okay, let's go. Here, the second floor. This is the best part of this house, the second floor. You see that? Here's the ocean. Ocean is here, and then the mountain. See the mountain? The ocean and then the mountain. It's very pretty. Go down there. The wall. This is the room. Here is the room, guys, and then this one is the bathroom. And here is the bathroom. I have a lot of like that. I don't know why. That's for the wire, I think. I don't know why I have a lot of wire. It's good if Mike is here because he explained everything. But Mike is resting, and it's too hot already. Mike is just like Anthony. Dili niya kaya ang init sa adlaw. Kaigang. Perfect. So nice. His worker all are working. This open here, it's all sliding door. All of this glass. Kung nila na ako pukawas si Cora kay lamig yan tulog. Here, she also has a plant here. Look at that. Dana gani alias Cora oh. Wow. She has a kuan guys. Garden, a little garden here. Okra, eggplant, they have tomato, they have papaya, chili, albate, everything here. And that's the Lunar Resort. Where's Michael Jackson? 5 chicken. Oh. So they're doing that, guys, para no cracks. But not a lot of water. Pisik-pisik ka siya. Or dili jud siya makrak. Di ba ya? Di ba dong? Para na siya dili mo crack. Mo nang pisik-pisik ka ng water. Okay. So it's smooth. Also, no crack and smooth. Okay. Wow. The water. They have their own wheel here. She paid for $5,000, guys, for the wheel. Ay nalas kurang adiri ko ha. Natog man siya, wa na lang nako pukawa. Sige, salamat. Arin ako. Sige. Oh, what is this? Nashake on. This is for her plants. Okay. That's it for today, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment below.